NOMADPro is a unique and innovative motorhome that combines the freedom of the open road with the comfort and convenience of a fully equipped home away from home. Designed for those who crave adventure and seek off-grid experiences, the NOMADPro boasts a sleek and aerodynamic design, coupled with cutting-edge technology and luxurious amenities. Its compact size belies its spacious interior, featuring a comfortable sleeping area, a well-equipped kitchen, and a cozy living space. Powered by a combination of solar panels and a powerful battery system, the NOMADPro allows for extended off-grid adventures, making it the perfect vehicle for exploring remote destinations and embracing the nomadic lifestyle. The Armadillo Conquistador T is a luxury off-road recreational vehicle designed for those seeking adventure and comfort in remote locations. Built on a robust Mercedes-Benz chassis, this behemoth boasts impressive off-road capabilities, allowing it to traverse challenging terrains with ease. Its interior is a testament to opulence, featuring a spacious living area, a well-equipped kitchen, and a comfortable sleeping quarters. The Conquistador T also offers a unique side-opening space expansion feature, transforming the living space into a versatile outdoor area. With its blend of luxury, ruggedness, and innovative design, the Armadillo Conquistador T sets a new standard for off-road travel. The Adria Twin Sports is a popular choice for campervan enthusiasts, known for its stylish design, innovative features, and comfortable living space. Built on a robust Fiat Ducato or Citroën jumper base, it offers a range of layouts to suit different needs, from solo adventurers to families. The hallmark of the Twin Sports is its ingenious pop-top roof, which adds extra sleeping space and enhances the overall versatility of the vehicle. Inside, you'll find well-designed interiors with thoughtful storage solutions and high-quality finishes. Whether you're exploring rugged terrain or cruising along coastal roads, the Adria Twin Sports provides a reliable and enjoyable travel experience. The Winnebago Forza is a luxurious Class A diesel motorhome designed to provide exceptional comfort and performance for long-distance travel. Built on a robust Freightliner chassis, it offers a smooth and powerful driving experience. Inside, the Forza boasts a spacious and well-appointed interior with premium features, including a fully equipped kitchen, a cozy living area, a modern bathroom, and comfortable sleeping quarters. With multiple floor plans and high-quality finishes, it caters to a variety of travel needs. Advanced technology and ample storage space ensure convenience and practicality, making the Winnebago Forza an ideal choice for travelers seeking style, reliability, and luxury on the road. The Becker Mercedes-Benz Sprinter JetVan is a luxury vehicle conversion that transforms the standard Sprinter van into a mobile office and entertainment space. Renowned for its opulent interior design and advanced technology, the JetVan caters to discerning individuals seeking a bespoke travel experience. Inside, passengers are treated to plush seating, state-of-the-art entertainment systems, and high-speed internet connectivity, ensuring productivity and comfort on the move. The JetVan's meticulous craftsmanship and attention to detail make it a symbol of exclusivity and a preferred choice for business executives, celebrities, and those who demand the finest in luxury transportation. The HGV Helios 26-ton horsebox is a premium equestrian transport vehicle designed to combine luxury, safety, and functionality. Built on a robust 26-ton chassis, it offers exceptional stability and performance, ensuring a smooth ride for both horses and passengers. The horse area is thoughtfully designed with features like padded partitions, ventilation systems, and secure tie points to ensure the comfort and safety of the animals. The HGV Helios 26-ton horsebox living area offers a modern kitchen with essential appliances, a cozy sleeping area for restful nights, and a stylish bathroom complete with a shower, sink, and toilet. Designed for comfort and convenience, it ensures a luxurious experience during extended travels or competitions. The EarthRoamer XV-LTS is a luxury expedition vehicle designed for off-grid adventures. Built on a Ford F-550 Super Duty chassis, it boasts a powerful diesel engine and four-wheel drive capability. Inside, the XV-LTS offers a spacious and comfortable living space with amenities like a kitchen, bathroom, sleeping quarters, and a plethora of technology. It's equipped with solar panels, a large battery bank, and a water filtration system, allowing for extended stays off the grid. The XV-LTS is known for its rugged construction, luxurious interior, and impressive off-road performance, making it a popular choice for those seeking the ultimate in overlanding vehicles. The Leisure Unity is a premium Class B+ motorhome that blends modern design, luxury, and functionality for travelers seeking exceptional comfort on the road. Built on the dependable Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, it offers outstanding performance, fuel efficiency, and advanced safety features. The Leisure Unity features a thoughtfully designed interior that combines style and functionality for ultimate comfort. It includes a cozy bed for restful nights, leisure chairs with power recliners for relaxation, and a built-in TV for on-the-go entertainment. The fully equipped kitchen offers modern appliances for effortless meal preparation, while the spacious bathroom provides privacy and convenience. Perfect for both short getaways and extended adventures, the Leisure Unity ensures a luxurious travel experience. The Aqua-House is a futuristic concept designed to revolutionize living on water. Combining sustainability with luxury, this innovative structure is both a home and an eco-friendly retreat. Equipped with solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and energy-efficient designs, it offers a self-sustaining lifestyle while minimizing environmental impact. The Aqua-House features modern interiors, panoramic windows for stunning views, and multi-level decks for leisure and relaxation. Ideal for those seeking a unique, waterborne living experience, the Aqua-House seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology with the tranquility of nature. The Airstream Tradewind is a sleek, modern travel trailer that blends the iconic Airstream design with innovative features for a premium camping experience. Known for its aerodynamic, polished aluminum exterior, the Tradewind is designed for both luxury and functionality. Inside, it offers spacious living with stylish furnishings, a well-equipped kitchen, and a comfortable sleeping area, making it ideal for both short getaways and extended trips. This model is designed for off-grid adventures, featuring a 3-inch suspension lift, rugged tires, and a robust power system that includes an 810Ah lithium battery bank and 600-watt solar capacity. With advanced technology, efficient layout, and durable construction, the Airstream Tradewind is a perfect option for those seeking comfort and adventure on the road. The Severn Lamb double-deck trolley is a charming and versatile passenger vehicle designed for unique transport experiences. Featuring a classic double-deck design, it offers ample seating capacity across 2 levels, making it ideal for sightseeing tours, heritage routes, or themed rides. Built with attention to detail, the trolley combines vintage aesthetics with modern engineering, ensuring reliability and comfort. It is equipped with eco-friendly propulsion options, including electric and hybrid systems, catering to sustainable transport needs. With customizable interiors and exteriors, the Severn Lamb double-deck trolley delivers a blend of tradition and innovation, providing a memorable journey for passengers. The Crawler Belen is a luxurious and spacious motorhome designed for comfortable and adventurous travels. This semi-integrated motorhome boasts a stylish exterior and a meticulously crafted interior, featuring high-quality materials and thoughtful design elements. With a capacity for 4 people, the Belen offers ample space for families or groups of friends to enjoy their journeys together. The fully equipped kitchen and bathroom allow for a self-sufficient lifestyle on the road, while the comfortable living area provides a cozy retreat after a day of exploration. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country adventure or simply seeking a weekend getaway, the Crawler Belen offers the perfect blend of comfort, functionality, and style for an unforgettable travel experience. The Crawler ALP560 is a versatile and rugged off-road camper designed for adventurers who seek comfort in the most remote locations. Built on a robust chassis, this compact yet highly capable camper features all-terrain tires and advanced suspension, allowing it to tackle challenging landscapes with ease. The interior is thoughtfully designed, offering a cozy sleeping area, a compact kitchen, and ample storage, ensuring a comfortable experience during extended trips. Equipped with solar panels, water storage, and energy-efficient appliances, the ALP560 supports off-grid living without compromising convenience. With its durable construction and practical features, the Crawler ALP560 is the ultimate companion for those who love to explore the great outdoors. The inTech OVR is a line of adventure travel trailers designed to take you off the beaten path. Built with rugged durability in mind, these trailers feature a fully welded cage and frame construction, ensuring they can withstand the rigors of off-road travel. The OVR boasts a spacious interior, despite its compact exterior, offering a comfortable and functional living space for your adventures. From the well-equipped kitchen to the cozy bedroom, every detail is thoughtfully designed to enhance your travel experience. Whether you're exploring remote wilderness or simply seeking a unique way to experience the great outdoors, the inTech OVR provides the perfect blend of comfort, capability, and style. The SLRV Isuzu FTS 800 is a formidable expedition vehicle built on the robust Isuzu FTS 800 4x4 crew cab chassis. This purpose-built motorhome is designed for extended family adventures, offering ample seating in the front and comfortable sleeping arrangements in the rear. Its compact 5.5-meter design belies its spacious interior, which includes a well-equipped kitchen, a separate ensuite, and a versatile lounge area that can be transformed into a sleeping space. The FTS 800's rear garage provides secure storage for spare tires, furniture, and bicycles, making it ideal for off-grid exploration. With its powerful engine, advanced four-wheel drive system, and long-range fuel tanks, the SLRV FTS 800 is ready to conquer any terrain, ensuring unforgettable family adventures in the great outdoors. The Bruder EXP-7 is a luxurious and capable off-road camper trailer designed for adventurous travelers seeking comfort and capability in remote locations. Built on a robust chassis with independent suspension, it offers exceptional ground clearance and stability on challenging terrain. The Bruder EXP-7 features a compact and efficient interior design that prioritizes functionality and space optimization. The combined shower and toilet area maximizes space utilization, while the versatile kitchen allows for both indoor and outdoor cooking. Powered by a combination of solar panels, batteries, and an optional generator, it provides off-grid independence for extended expeditions. Whether exploring rugged trails or setting up camp in scenic wilderness, the Bruder EXP-7 delivers a premium camping experience with its blend of luxury, durability, and off-road prowess.